And the reason, bullseye from the outside, D of Jade, tremendous Ethan. Siklag on the further outside is just like it, amazing act. Rushing up Prince Purdy and Angel Sky. Bullseye, D of Jade, rushing up is Dayang. And on the further outside is Siklag. Bullseye, Siklag, D of Jade down on the inside. Dayang, amazing act, Angel Sky and tremendous Ethan. Another part turn, that's Bullseye. And on the outside, Siklag, D of Jade rushing up in the middle. As they raise the final corner, D of Jade in the middle, Siklag on the outside, Bullseye, and Amazing Axe running by the rail. Amazing Axe now the leader. Siklag on the outside, D of Jade by the rail is Bullseye. Amazing Axe, Siklag, Bullseye, D of Jade in the middle. And finally, it's going to be Amazing Axe, D of Jade, Siklag close just like it. And number one, Bullseye, salvaging fifth for your Pentafecta.